Oh, and by the way, it's August long weekend, so every fucking retard with a heartbeat is going to be out on the road right now. It's funny, one of my videos I was making, I was doing this very exact thing, getting gas. So I was showing it to a co-worker who likes to shoot his mouth off before things actually happen. For example, I was doing this in the video, and so on and so forth. And just before it showed me putting in my transaction number on the video, he of course blurted out, "Oh, everybody's gonna know your PIN number." Well, of course, I'm the editor of these videos, so all I needed to do was cut it out, you idiot. It's just amazing how fucking dumb people are. Well, it's amazing how dumb people think I am. Me. Not really. No? Fuck. Shut the fuck up. Pretty much. Shut up. Fuck, I hate people so much. I've been riding since 87. I've been riding since 87.
Oh, yeah, right?
So I'm well aware of who the cunt is and who's not the cunt.
Oh.
I'm talking to one.
I live in Kelowna, and I have to go up here every day to drop something off out at a hospital here in Vancouver. And honestly, some of the drivers should be beat with a stick.
Yep. I won't disagree. See you, man. Yeah, you too. It's funny, when you're on a motorcycle, you might as well wear a big sign that says, "Hey man, come and talk to me. The speed limit is 50. She listens to country music, maybe that's a hint. Yeah, you can go. Yeah, 50. 50 number 1. 50 number 2. Dude, what in the sweet sugar tits are you doing? Fuck. What the fuck, dude? I'm just gonna stop here with my fucking door open. Alright, figure it out. Yeah, figure it out. Fuck. Oh, that's fucking money. Jesus Christ, there's fucking 20s all over the place. Look at them all. I'm not shitting you. That was $20 bills all over the place. Speaking of stupid, how do you lose a wad of cash out of your fucking window? Oh, someone beat this guy to a pulp. Holy fuck. This is what I'm talking about, long weekend assholes. Look at this fucking guy. Woo. That was highly illegal. Oh yeah. Out of the way, little shit.